The views and opinions expressed on this show by the hosts do not necessarily state or reflect those of the channel. Furthermore, the views and the opinions of the guests do not reflect those of the host and the channel. Also, we do not encourage you to try this at home. We are trained professionals who do not have your best interest at heart or our own. Enjoy the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can call me any day. You can call me we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
as in,
like a light, like a light, like a light.
yazi ngiyazibuza ukuthi kube sirekhoda njalo khana ukuthi and action into lena babesenzena kuloko izinini na
Okay.
kukha yo
Yeah, ukhaba besikhanyisa izandla ndoda, ukhaba
What's going on here?
That's how it's done.
No,
professionally.
it's to cue the audio and
so
the
laba
video.
eat
Like,
porridge benza njalo.
ukuthi baphindisa
Porridge kunzima because vele porridge yonke yabisi.
what's all that movement back there?
bro I am
What's
What's all that movement back?
kufike ekhanda bengicabanga ukuthi lezi album sinisele out yabo maybe nxezi zafuna ukushoot ivideo vele ke bekukhulu maybe sengicabanga vele bese ngicabanga le ngoma ukuthi le maybe le ngoma le vele iyabinje so ngaphinda ngacabanga ukuthi liyaphindiswa ka10 into eyi
Kule day kwakho nama 8 shomile izizondisi. Ngalapha sibuya ngala.
wezindoda ke bekuthiwa ama-gents
Sesilabele.
yabona khona ogani elikusothileyo
Phindani.
yikho asiphindeni futhi
Anosho di music video ongaza ukwenza. Kanya ngani kungabafayini. Shit yani trash.
Sasibuke bus ecina
Cabanga nini futhi mina ngashoota just one scene with you guys. If we were doing like 5 scenes, if we were doing like a
Sasa lapho ku
series.
video yakho I think saphuma maybe
2 seconds.
total maybe
Yeah.
10 seconds kuphela.
Mthozo.
Yeah, 10 takes.
into zomjazmond
That's why balipindisa. Because whoever's gonna edit has to look for the very best scene.
wesho wazuputha simayise edita lapha nenzani
Podcast lapha, bro.
yepho ngukukhatha like okuyiphatho okuncane so yikho kufakayo
Zakhuluma, podcast la.
gcina umfawo lawo speaker
Actually, on that
Wabona
note,
umdala lo
Exactly.
Zambia.
Zambia.
I'm doing an interview
I'm doing anything. What try if I send you this picture? Just know that you can call me anytime. Mzala wafukela ndoda ifona
National TV.
What TV?
I mean, say oversized suit umdala
Lezi
free
yani China liyani yaza
Yiyo phela isho mliyane ukuthi anyone found using condom we arrest.
mina ipya ngona
Icho mina lana later ansifona later on interview hey campaign lokuba president. So sebe ibuze the strategy sakho yesana esithi kanjani. Abantu be-West ba lokho be-emphasize into ze-depopulation lezo ukuthi abantu bethu bengandi thina sifuna ilizwe lethu likhule
abantu
so
begcwale
bengangenza ukuthi ube ngupresident I won't allow condoms. Anyone found using condom, we arrest.
Actually, campaign for president.
Andi babemuza vele nge-manifesto know that,
bro at the end of the day
But technically, he's the president. He can do whatever he wants, including answer phone calls on TV.
abantu abale mali dog nxa sokusiyavotwa lapha nama-jokes aphela
Yeah, phela.
because they protect ibag
Yeah, true.
like yaso ungabachaza usihlekise ku-social media asebe siyahleka sibili but mase siyavota singeke sivotele into enjani
Clown ass, bro.
but otherwise how are you guys doing
No,
Oh, well, all right. I was remembering the story that I was told by my mother.
that's how you're doing, or you're just remembering the story.
No, I'm doing great. Sorry.
All right.
I never vele nasenhlulile.
phela namhla kusemzini wezinsizwa
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unandi.
Less sneakers.
It's actually
Sure,
more
more
niggas.
Those more niggas and less hoes.
It's not even less, bro.
Sausage
No.
what?
No,
But
sausage
imaginary. Oh, I
Hey,
don't
movie
know.
that actually let me wrong with it.
Try sausage party. It is vui. Stories
Oh yeah, it's story.
sika olet.
Aye man, mafoti.
Mafoti yine ku ekuluma. Sicela ungahlafuni namuhla.
I get away. That was not intentional anyway.
Akucane uzomuntu ethi
Get away.
So sausage party yabona
Pass off.
bafaka ku-e.tv yabo umdala wathi kule movie lapha mfuke ibukela uPopeye athi sausage party thina sabe sisukuma ngokuthula omunye uhambe
Wena nalale mali.
sami endaweni zethu velani
Kare kule movie okuthiwa sausage party.
right
Angiyazi.
wathi ibukela wathi ibukela semuze ngama ukorre movie enjani
Ah.
But when
nonsense.
it came out in cinemas, it was a family animation because there was a lot of backlash when it came out. Yeah, he retweet ngani ngutoy story.
Oh, kona amanya.
Yes.
talk Maria de la Taco
Ah.
Andivele nguyilo kuze nofani.
kuri taco vele
Oh, mapula.
kuri taco vele kuri
Alinga spoil.
I don't spoil it.
oh so you've never watched it
Azibukile.
I think I have it
Azibukile.
I think I have it on my hard drive now
Azwi.
I'll give it to you
Zakopa. Anyways, vui. Ubufuna ukusiqoqa story.
Do you know, like, there's actually so many businesses in Bulawayo that have been around for so long, bro. Like, even before each generation yet. For example, Masaro and Chalangin Dauta is sunflower. The Panama chips. Aye. It's not like that, dog.
Sunflower.
Yeah, good. Like, even like, not like that.
When
What
have
are
we
you transitioning to, bro?
when have we
What the fuck are you doing, bro?
Yeah.
What's going on with him? Because
We just started thinking.
utopically.
Awena into esikuina ma into esifika ukuthi after episode le mina lo praise shy world tour album
Going on the road,
so vele
Nickies.
singekho
Going on road, Nickies.
whatever
Nah, it's fine. I mean, I get crucified for yours anyway. dog. It's
whatever
fine.
uzenza kare vuyi wenzani
Uvujeng always stands on
Ukhuluma ama-chips ubesithi
uya
know,
ama
besides
chips
the-
evukhuluma
the
ngawo ebesilwa ku Twitter
Anilwanga nje. Bebesilwa lami
There's
nje.
certain hills that
Ngibethwani.
he's willing to die on.
Hayi, not even no.
what happened
I'm not gonna die. I'll be there, but
Kilimanjaro.
trust me,
What
I'm
happened?
not dying, bro.
what happened
ufuni abantu contextual of the
Yeah.
contextual.
All right.
Because love means
So, I don't know. Obviously, some facts about this won't be as true, or they'll be clearer by the time this episode comes out. But at the time this went to print, this is where the story, like Gumi saw. There's a person,
yeah
right,
as avoid amabizo
and a person. Yeah, there's a person. So that means that dingy pronoun. There's a person who went missing, and I say missing in quotes, right? Who went missing on, I can't remember, over the weekend, and then after 2 days, I'm gone back. Not Uchoma, but well,
Nah, like
umuntu
try,
lana,
yeah,
umuntu
try
lana, umngani
Do
wethu,
it, yeah,
like
just be serious with
akasabonakala. So now, in the event that something has happened, because it's a trans person, and there's like so many cases of abantu laba like getting kidnapped and
I don't know how verified the stats is, but one of the accounts said 9 out of 10 who miss it always ends in a tragedy, like some
Either
homophobe.
Is that
they got raped or killed and whatever.
or is that like
I don't know how
specifically for
verified.
that? Yeah, but is that specifically for that group of people? Is that like 9 or 10 people that go missing?
for that
for that group of people?
For that group.
of
Yeah,
people.
so
And
like,
then
let's
what
say-
about like generally for just people who go missing? Like for kids?
we're not sure.
Nah, not so sure.
You wouldn't
One
know.
not sure. I think it's a
Okay.
different
No,
stat.
yeah.
So basically, it's like if 10 transgender people got kidnapped, out of those 10,
Went
9
missing.
of them, like if they went missing, sorry, 9 of them, like the story like ends in tragedy.
They never
somehow.
just get found.
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly. Exactly.
Or if they're found, found dismembered.
So obviously, with knowledge of this particular statistic, people from that particular community were like, you know what, let's really find this person because anything could have happened. And then over the weekend, but asked I won't mention the name, but we're looking for our friends. We're soliciting help from literally anyone who could have seen Because it's not like umuntu lo lapha khona and ubone ngama transgender people kuphela. Yabona. So if you can
Ukhangeleni kanti ukhanya concentrate.
if you can provide any information that could help us find our friend,
Yeah.
that would be great. Yabona. And then abantu abaningi, and because like we perish because of lack of knowledge, as was the name that was given and it sounded like a nickname.
In alias.
Yabona. For example, asithi sidinga uKabelo,
Big
sithi
Juice.
asidinga big juice, big mozzarella.
Oratatata.
Exactly.
Big
Yabona.
slippery.
Yabona. So people like had this question, which, all right, if we're looking for this person and we genuinely want to help, do I go to Zeraphi lapha ngithi ngidinga big
Mozzarella.
Yazi manje uma for every time mas record uyathatha i-selfie isicela ukuthi sipose lathi ka1 ku-selfie yakho siyitshengisa abantu i-selfie oyithathayo la.
ukhiphe le bhashi nje kulo.
Yeah. So batshengisa abantu ukuthi uyabuthathani la.
Ndi
Number.
ratatatata.
Uzokuma ngapha.
Yeah, hambe kumangani.
Uzokuma ngapha sithatha i-selfie.
This is going to
One
be so
time.
awkward.
One time. So easy. Yeah.
So crazy, bro. My 40 shade doesn't.
Uyobe hlele
Manje
sithule lo.
invested lapha endabeni le.
Yeah, let's.
Oh yeah. So and this applies to everyone else, dog. It's like saying if like Mafoti goes missing, do we go to the cops and say we're looking for Mafoti or Stingu what Dumisan? Yabon. Yeah, people like they were really genuine about it. But and this is when I'm now gonna chime in like my opinion. I felt like it could have been handled better. Apparently, there's something called a dead name in the transgender community. Like if you transition in and you're like, I know.
Alihlalisa mbizi mcini.
Exactly.
So
No,
dead name, like-
it's not even that. If you want to keep your name, it's okay. But let's say I'm not ngifuna uMamoyo or some whatever.
Big mama.
Big mama. Usuku big
Yeah,
mama.
I'll
Like
forever
umgcini
Big
vele
Mama.
kahle.
Yeah.
Like and you're now big mama.
So like go buze.
Yeah.
Nxa usungu big mama like that and mina ndisa do with is that an offense?
I think
Yeah,
it's coming
it
across
is.
like that, yeah?
It is, yeah.
Is that what you're building up to?
Exactly.
Damn.
No, yeah. But now you are soliciting help to find your person, your friend from people that don't know this. They've got no idea, bro.
Yeah.
So now instead of saying, "Hi guys, kule nto okuthiwa he dead name and so on," and the
Asikhulumi
reason why
ngalo le, simbiza simdinga ngale.
exactly simdinga ngale because yena vele kahle ube sesaziwa ngebizo leli ebantwini abamazi yabona. Yeah. So instead of saying that and saying, no, look, this is a teachable moment. Let's educate people and help them find our friend.
It turned into the guru.
Exactly. They're like, no, you guys are being transphobic, you guys are being homophobic. But we're like, this time we didn't do anything.
We
like
just
this
asked.
time, bro. Like,
We're just trying to get the facts straight.
we're trying to
bro.
get the.
Ngavele ngisabela ukubuza. Ngike ngabona ngani sokuphendulana kaningi ngathi ngathi la uyathubuzwa. Kuhle ukuthi
Wallace.
exactly.
Anyway, mina lapha I'll just try and maybe.
Manje utheni?
How's
God damn it.
But
Ngiyazwa.
I'll just try and play devil's advocate, like ngibe in their shoes. Like I think in most
I'm a
cases,
6-inch heels.
in most cases when we're looking for someone, what significance does the name have? It's not like wherever they go, they have a barcode that I can scan and then it shows me their real name and I know that that's the person.
I think uqatheka
Nasidinga
kakhulu face.
umuntu singanxa sile picture yokuthi umuntu obukeke nje. I think that's enough for us to look, especially
but
when you're
not
spreading
really,
that
dog.
on social
No,
media.
I
Not
don't.
really.
It's not like umuntu lwana ubeku asomuntu maybe uthiwa maybe umuntu ohambe ku Malaysian flights leyana missing.
No,
That's
but
why we're going to now look for that thing. What do you call that thing? A flight maybe zabantu bonke aba
Black
on board.
box.
Nah. Manifest. Yeah.
Esinye isimoko kuyini molesi?
Lapho umuntu lo this person just went
Because
missing, bro.
we understand.
So thina kufanana le lokhu zenini. All right. I'm sorry example le but I think iye ngcono. Kufanana lawe wena ungalahlekelwa iphethe yakho. The only thing now ufaka social media that people can use to help you to look uzathi nansi ipicture yephethe yami.
Yeah, but that's because
No, but it's different. If you respond to it now.
No. That's what I'm going to. Ukuthi umuntu lo even if ibizo lakhe singazange saliqhakathekisa kangako the picture could have done the job. Because
Lalela.
even lo mntwana omncane wamtshengisa ukuthi sidinga umuntu onje ngekhaya.
I feel like with
umuntu
this-
onje ngimbone edlula lapha.
yabona
The name-
ama-cases
the name
anje
doesn't
No,
hold
wait,
water here.
I get your point.
Le
I
logic
understand
yabo.
it.
Mana lapha ndithi ngithe devil's
Yeah.
advocate. Le logic yabo. Why are you guys so pressed about the name? Because from the name, that's where maybe you guys are going to come up with that got you moment. You're going to, why are you saying hey kumbe him emuntwini olebizo u-ID elinje?
Manje konke
What I'm saying,
That's
Ralph,
what the
and
guys
it's
wanted to do.
in a point, and I get it. That's their logic. It's not necessarily your point.
Yeah.
But I feel like in a situation whereby in the qakathile ngikuthola umuntu, my guy, saving a gotcha moment, bro. Like it's a risk that you have to take.
Vele, that's nothing. Is that
Into encane
that's such a
nje.
small price to pay, dog,
Yeah,
for
it's like
finding
najengoba
someone.
ibizo lami lingumsuzo. Uthi namhla sidinga umsuzo.
No, that's not kudinga nduthi.
Fine izanhleka nibhalile ngiyamdinga
But
umsuzo.
priority is getting you. Okay, I
Exactly,
get
the
the point.
priority is getting
But
me.
into engitshoyo ukuthi nxa sesidinga umuntu in the grand scheme of things.
Right.
Fanana nokuthi
Now-
mana.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
nansi manje perfect example. Nxa sigarden of Oz lapha. Sesidayiwe ndoda, sesilahlekeleni.
Yeah.
Nxa uhamba ubuza abantu lapha awusoze at some point uthi azake labona ichomi enhle so eshaya amazaza so yekera kuhle.
Well, I mean, you can still find me to say that.
Because bazathi
There's a
uthi
very high
uVuyi.
chance.
Bazathi uVuyi umuntu esithi hayi ngimazi uVuyi but imembe eshaya amazaza engani inkulu so idlulela
but I think okunye
umjito
ukusebenzisa
lelihle linjani no lona
umjito lelihle linjani
ukusebenzisa
Babe-40.
ukusebenzisa ibizo dog. I think sikusebenzisa
mina
like
like ibizo mina in this entire thing I think ibizo maybe contributed 20% to this
ngicela
entire
ukukhuluma.
All right, it's fine.
Ngicela ukukhuluma. Since i-case le sidila ngayo siyayibona ukuthi njani. Ngizasebenzisa mina njengomzekeliso ngingasebenzisi
Yeah.
lokho okwenzakala because angifuni bangikhothe kabi kusasa.
Bekwenza.
Mina bengikhothe kabi.
All right.
Mina
lani madoda lani
mina sengidecide ukuthi andisithe big mama
Yeah.
big mama but ekukhuleni kwami bro egasi wonke umuntu maybe enxeyo sithi hayi
Umgcinias.
umgcinias yabo
Umgcini-pig.
yabo
You know.
so like ibizo leli abanye especially egasi vele abantu abaningi ubakhumbula ngamabizo sikhulumeni ivana
Yeah, true.
because abantu ndoda karesi abanye mina lalicakile la
so
sasicakile
ukhatha
lapho
i-context le umuntu lo ulahleke lapha angikhulelanga khona
oh but mina ngikulumelana
yeah ku
nxa kuyimi lapha senilahlekile yabona abantu bengicava ibizo lona lelo ibizo level qakathekile ku situation yena leyo yabo because egasi vele dog uBristo
Uvrista, hayi, mina vele
yabo
ngikhe
but now that usuthe umuntu lo
ulahlekile lapha khulanga
vele
khona.
ayisichayi
Mina vele I
But
think man
now, here's my point. Laban Pendilu Ralph. I'm still answering Ralph.
Yeah.
There's two sides to a search party when you're looking for a person, right? There's a social media side, right, where you're saying no stinger, we're looking for help to find umuntu
Spread information.
was spreading information. And in that situation, I agree with Ralph. Name contributes 20%. For example, abantu abaningi abakwazi ukuthi nguvuyi. They're like, ubulawa man, whatever. Like so many names. Piano face, you know, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
You check. So as far as social media is concerned and getting help from people there who know me like by my, nom de bloom, like my stage name, whatever, and then like ibizolami la ngempela doesn't work. But when you consider like a search party like ngempela, ukuthi kahle kahle, how is it conducted when someone has really gone missing? You go to the police, bro. The police need your real name. You can't say, I'm
need
not
your
big
ID
mom.
number,
and
your-
you know what they
considering
do with that real
Zimbabwe
name, bro?
dog
The first place they go is like hospitals.
yeah.
In a hospital, they don't know you as big
They
mom.
don't take you as
They say, we admitted umuntu lapha and ibizo that they prefer is, they might have you in there like ngebizo lakho la ngempela lana that's what they call a dead name in the trans community. Like there's so many things that are in play here that they do not consider. We're not saying like it's wrong and ukuthi ibizo like nguzibani bantu, people made fun of it and I think that's a risk that had to be taken if we're looking for someone. But in the grand scheme of things, to a larger extent, when it comes to really finding this person, the name, the given name at birth was important.
utholakele yini
ngicela ukukhuluma
Hayi, bekele niki chance. Niloke ngakhuluma, niloke ngizama ngakhuluma.
khuluma zakhuluma after wena
technology has changed and has made contacting or searching for people a bit easier. But my dad was a chief fire officer for close to 20 years.
Damn.
So he used to just randomly tell me stories about the difficulties.
That's why your album is Lead, dog. Boom.
See? Chief fire officer. First time was a fire brigade. So that he used to tell me all of the difficulties of finding people or helping people, especially because they're always first responders at like tragedies or scenes. So sometimes kube le nkalakatha accident along Falls Road. And then you get there, abantu ba trapped, kumele besiko out of amabhasi lana. And I remember one of the first things my dad taught me when I got a phone was, but this was back on my phone in the time as it is now. He used to tell me, save abantu kuhle phone yakho. Save a mom, save a dad, save our, because siyakuthola egangeni and we don't know who to call. You awula idea ngosina ngokha ngodog with the phone. Futhi nje if I brigade siyabe segangeni akho asla airtime asla. So many phone one by one abantu phone until we find someone. But of course now things are different. They just look for the last person you called. Your phone usually has information. Yeah. Things are never really that difficult. But I remember this is one of the things my dad always instilled in me.
And this thing actually saved a friend's life. Sorry, ulikat. Yasi kulom kana noma bake bamfonela like u30 ngale as a collapse.
But what daily last person did that?
Like ungalokhile phone because wayesebenza like iPhone civil at the time. I think it was like 4 years back. It was like the latest iPhone out and then opt to uthanga faki any security thing. So bayikhipha lapha bavula even le WhatsApp bakhangela bathi chat le kwatshone khuluma khona even the call log. They called us service imthwele text bamsesibhedlela. And the thing was going to be a problem.
So now, because of that, I know what in emergency situations, especially when people are missing or people are not even names, crucial information. Like this is not the time to be debating with no DJ Mawazawaza. Just provide name, age. This is even very crazy because this particular person dresses differently, do they not? So maybe the pictures we have. Ule makeup, is that not the case? Now you don't know who kidnap you. This is why pictures don't actually really do that much. Picture I filter that day. Maybe you've been walking for 4 days, or lose weight, or accident, I'll sell a week, whatever. So usually now you provide every possible information. Ubani ohlala ngapi, ID number, what. When people find you. Okay, this looks like that person. Dog, tell us your name. Okay, who's your mom? We found him. Because people look alike. I'm not finding all the time. Lina lo itu ya kwazi ngaba accident ngeke kwasumba nomuntu.
Keeping going.
Keeping going. Awungeke kwasuvuyi
keeping going.
You know what I'm saying? So I just think from what I'm hearing,
it's a lot of good points that were lost in translation.
No.
Here there's like a mixture of victim mentality and a mixture of abantu befuna ukuthola igatshe moment.
Bakhona abantu there are people who came
abantu antu yabona nxa usulahlekile siyathatha ibizo lakho ikade bevele bekumele.
But I really feel like if it was like my little brother missing and I said Rico and then someone just came and said, or maybe it's not my place to talk because the person I'm talking about isn't going through that kind of, I think for that community, it's a daily fight to kind of get your rights. So maybe for them, the minute someone asks, what's your real name? It's like contextually so offensive. So maybe that's what happened.
Let me just put it out like this. If you decide to go that route, you transition and what, registry lapana.
Yeah.
Uyahamba uyechinja ibizo lakho.
Welula.
Bekufake ugazette lapha uthi awuzibana abantu ufuna ukuchinja ibizo lakhe. Takes up uyachinja bra.
Because I was going to ask, did they legally change their name?
If there's no one and who says otherwise, you change your name before. Like even Ninja, so I can go change my name from Yupet to Misani to Yupet to Misani instead of to Misani. I can change tomorrow.
My dad changed his name.
Right? So what
yeah. What is him dad? Wabekaya mina, wabezinikela inye. And then he went and changed all of his documentation. You actually do it.
So what happens is
Yeah, I'm
at
saying
that on this
Umtala-
particular story,
umtala
I
wabo-
tried
Oh,
I tried to
Umtala wabo
avoid
ke-rockstar.
it.
ukhanye waba nguyi ngiyaba nguqomo
Ye.
Mina ngazama
Wena
avoid
bekuqobo.
indaba le and ngicasa ukubona ngani singani silahleka. But here are the basics, ne? Umuntu nxa missing. The most important thing, fuck the picture, is the name. Why I'm saying so is because mangi ngunesi mina. Ngingabona ibizo leleya. Ngiyakhumbula ama the records. Because in my records I don't have your picture, I have your name.
No face.
It's simple. Ipolice check the gun. If a police have to the police the gun.
Nangithi
Ibizo
konke,
aligayi
picture,
vele.
bizo,
So I
yonke
think
information,
I
just
think
put it out
sorry if
there.
I'm gonna offend anyone and let's be serious in life. Let's be serious. Let's take serious situations. Let's take serious situations serious.
ukudlala.
Umuntu lo ulahlekile. Faka ukuthi what fakani ibizo lomuntu
ufuna uhleko
etholakele.
Etholakala siphele lo.
Because what's important right now is
Lutho
not
umuntu
ukuthi hey my feelings. No, fuck your feelings. Let's find this person.
Utlo.
The most important thing is to find the person. Then we come back to your feelings. Ukuthi no guys ukuthi lapha nani sasithinga no but next time
Lenze so.
bese sikutshela thina I'm registered. Go fucking change your name. Come back. Fuck ibizo lebizo. Next time you get lost, we'll put the name that you want.
But I will say,
Official.
they were not all the way out of pocket by reacting the way
yeah.
they did.
I totally
Because it's
can see it.
contextual, bro. They've
I
been-
agree with you.
Yeah.
I agree with you. But I'm going back to saying, nxa kade ngajinjanga register ba.
Yeah.
Fuck that.
Athengatshintshanga.
Fuck
And if
that.
they were
Study
serious,
ibizo labantu.
if
If they were really serious, if it was, I mean, I'm starting to think probably umuntu wemangalahlekanga lo. They were trying to put. Check with social people pull stands.
Oh, tell like
People pull stands before. People pull stands. Recently, I want to talk about about missing about. I went to me and Harare who were missing on, and then the mother was like in Canada.
how?
Like something like that. So enumchita apana numchita mbo you cast the pattern njani njani ngaswakaliyo bro. Enumchita kayo hayi kwazi abantu ngisibeka hambele pale for create drama. So here's where we are.
Custody liyana leni deserve support.
Custody.
Thank you.
Custody. But it's but
You were just
but-
putting it
no, no,
badly there,
but-
dog.
No.
We're
But
going
it's
to
my
desert you
pronunciation.
if
No,
you
no.
continue doing
It's
that.
my- It was my. No.
Bana. Peggy,
We got you, bro.
Lava Peggy.
No. It's my pronunciation. It's my pronunciation. It's my pronunciation. It's my pronunciation.
Cheers, Nikas.
Cheers.
Get
Great
away.
stuff, boys.
It is my pronunciation. It's my pronunciation. I can pronounce whatever I want.
So abantwana labana.
So all I'm saying is.
But I remember the nasty things now people were saying about those kids. They were saying those kids had some vuzo or some shit.
People, people.
Remember,
always-
yeah. So, guys, let's not run away from the fact that people kungabalele situation
Yeah.
engaba affect you. Okay, President ukukhuluma ukuthi ngingezothiwa kulo rasta abamzompolela itrade town ngizayithuka cause le rasta. But mina nxa nginempabanga ngizothiwa kulo rasta ngizahleka nto like.
Uvele sisahamile
Uvele inwele zona lezi
Abantu natural and into esingasi affect you sijayele ukwenza fun of it because most of us majority yethu si heterosexual so ngezothiwa kule nto affect umuntu we-community and most of the people usually
But no.
they'll find the time to make jokes.
Ralph, I'm coming to.
Noma bengekho homophobic bona they'll just think it's a laugh.
But
Dennis
Ralph,
Kalsini
I'm coming.
podcast.
Let's remove.
Yeah, with Twitter.
Yeah.
Can you remove the hetero and homosexual? We are humans. The basic thing is faka ibizo. We are humans. Whether you're hetero or homosexual, faka ibizo. That people will identify this person with.
And I think that should have just been straightforward.
Simple.
Just put information.
Faka ibizo, put the right
Transition to other.
information.
Because umuntu ngebe
It's got
ele 4 days
nothing-
ekidnachiwe.
Exactly.
Lapha sekhona usegqoka ijini lebhrukwe la usegqoka sesibonke lapha sensifa la. And uzamkhayela ukuthi hey, but ngibone picture nobengekho njalo ayisuye lo. Just
Faka information. That
But
will
yeah,
get you.
nekuvuyile
the person
mama
context.
wali-
guys, bese kusele 2 days phele lahlekile. So that's why maybe they're still pushing it. Maybe a week later, I swear maybe they're
could
going
have
to
been-
intensify the search thing.
But I suppose the
yeah.
reason why they were really intense about it is because they don't want to wait like a week later.
after 48 hours, 48
Yeah,
hours
yeah,
is the
yeah.
time limit.
That's when you
Exactly.
report to the police.
Yeah.
But
Anyway,
Anyway,
ukabelo ngabuza ukuthi umuntu lo uzitholakele yini. This person has been found, but there's like so many theories about like there
Where
because
they were.
obviously like sike sabuza ukuthi all right usetholakele but njoba lisicele ukuthi simdinge sincede ukudinga we actually want to know like
Tebengao.
the whereabouts. Like where was
Mina
this
indaba
person?
zabantu ngiyazithanda and ambona ukuthi ngabona ukuphila ngaphandle kwazo.
But no, in this case, and I'd understand if they had looked for him, her, they, them, among themselves. Among themselves as a community, and I'd understand why they had been then gatekeep that information with hi no, we don't need to tell you guys where this person was for whatever reason. But now it's a public thing.
We participated.
Omunye ngeke ngamtshela ukuthi this stopped being a community issue the minute you asked for our help. Uyabona, from everyone else. You can't then like pick and choose with blah blah blah. Exactly. So now there's a publication. I'm not really sure which one. I'll also leave out the name again. But they basically at the end of the article they were saying, fortunately the story took a positive turn. The person who was missing was recently found safe and sound. It turned out that she had decided to attend an impromptu sleepover with some friends and had neglected to inform anyone of her plans. She was deeply apologetic for the worry she caused and grateful to the overwhelming support from her
30 minutes.
But again, I will then say in conclusion, this post doesn't make it true.
Yeah, it might be.
But lapha sikhuluma ukuthi hayi yiko sesikutsheliwe khona ukuthi
Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen,
Welcome
and
to the
girls.
Gender Show.
welcome to Emzini Wezinsizwa.
you know where we are not homophobic.
We are gender biased.
We are not transphobic. We
Yeah.
just hold people accountable.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're just a people podcast, bro.
Funny story. Also, into le misgendering le is crazy because okay, not even ukuthi abantu belama pronouns up is crazy because in an emergency situation, someone has collapsed here. They need what, and then emergency services are like bangai.
Yeah.
Now I know I'm putting it in a joke, but it makes for a lot of difficulties
Yeah, it does.
when people are called they, she, what, and then you have to be attended in medical situation or emergencies.
However,
Selisibisile.
That's true, that's true.
my phone went off. You guys let him.
Mafuthu yenzeni?
My phone is on brand, bro. You're not.
Oh yeah, he actually is on
Yeah,
brand.
so,
anyway, I was
welcome to
saying
the podcast.
in that context, and I'll play devil's advocate in defense of the community. I think what they're trying to do is maybe like get systems, like all these centralized systems, even emergency systems, and to actually recognize. So like you're saying in Zimbabwe right now, if I were to say someone is injured, whatever, they need assistance. Right now they won't say all right ngubani, like what are they pronouns? Exactly. Bahle bethi all right fakani imphethe ngu3.
Yena chiyanini mjibhiza baziphilele impilo.
Omjibhiza.
Yeah.
Ngelana abantu benza omunye futhi uthe this was a missed asylum like opportunity, bro. Like even if he was,
Do you really think it was missed though?
it was missed because
It could be
utholakale safe. Mina
Ranta
ngingwe-
kwelinye ilanga mina indaba yokuthi
mina
abantu benza ukufunda.
ngihle ngicela abangani babe bengishaya.
Yeah.
Ngithi khelani ngishayiwe la, khelani la ku social media bathini. Athi ngihle ngambe UK ngiyenthola i2 bedroom apartment le Grant e Queen.
Who's this small here? Rasa.
Anyway,
So benzama ukuthi it's like sitshela abantu ukuthi uqathe onganani ngathi keep ama condom linka.
Ni
Sifuna ukusenzani. What are you doing?
in back.
Ukuthi abantu ba like aba commenta WhatsApp ukuthi babukele podcast. Like ukuthi affect kanjani la. Like fanana lokuthi uRalph ethengisa amatamatisi. And then yakwazi ukuthengisa amatamatisi. Ubumlanda like nxa lonke likhuluma ukuthi jeka amatamatisi akho jeka blind.
Ubonga ulunguzalo kwejura old amfana. Asi amatamatisi ayingozi.
Amatamatisi akho la ingozi
Amatamatisi
la.
akho la abachuna ngayi all gold.
Dangerous la.
Like a golden, bro.
Subuqeda
This
buthule.
tomato.
Chimube khona.
So
think of a wild example, bro. Let's say like you're a sex worker, bro. Just during the day, bro, you're just going about your business. Kutuchu mchita lapha. My sister, ingox.
Stofu siku
Number
9.
1, stofu siku 9.
yeah, tuna. So like abantu nxa bekhomenta ku WhatsApp and as a podcast le isibukela abanye abantu engangacabani bazabukela.
Okay, venzi abantu aba uncouth.
No.
No,
mean, yeah,
Tina,
definitely,
we
but-
were somewhat uncouth.
Ngilezinye-
Yeah, so
ngilezinye-
that's our brand.
lezinye izihlobo zami esezibukela ndoda ngizosokuqhama ukuthi khona omunye umayisister obukele kwenye office ngiyakwazi maybe ngiculalela sokona
Hayi khona man.
tshela
Amna so wathiwa anytime ngenzakala into efani nje uzakhuluma ngako ku podcast.
Yeah, like podcast lay is
Calm
really.
down, niggas.
I remember I featured in in my friend's TikTok thingy. She was advertising some product, and then the video fortunately blew up, bro. I think it's like on 20K views now.
damn
And then on the comments, everyone is saying, "What off a podcast? What off a podcast?"
That day that is good show
Why are
leni
you
yakubula.
niggas doing this?
Yakubula that day is good show leni.
Exactly.
That's
People
me,
were
that's
coming
me.
to the stage, bro.
Bakuyimi lo Ralph Lokudu. And then this guy comes to me and says, "Oh no, I really love the word Ralph sekceli."
wathi
Ngathi yakwasimbani lo.
phoza hleka akuhleke
Uze Jay.
uze
Siyamuzo man.
Ilafulele ngiyazi.
into efana
Actually, on that note,
Ngawa.
A whole lot of
Ishe ngawa.
yeah, on that note,
the podcast is really taking
yeah,
off. Like,
yeah,
yeah,
true
it's
that.
crazy, bro.
Damn.
Ish.
Khuluma.
No, I was saying like, well, this is probably like something that happens to you guys all the time. I mean, I'm not muntu ozithuleleyo, you know. What I do is just
ivaran
yeah.
uhlanyela like
Lapha,
abantu
but generally,
Hlanye
like,
kithi la.
uhlanya abantu
out
abazi
there,
Yakilo no right.
yeah. So, but I actually like had a very like rare superstar moment this weekend. So I mean, Harare, bro. My homie's like, chill, you've been chilling at home like the whole day, bro. Like, I was poor, man. I just get says yellow linya one. I was kind of beside when you game night, bro. Like, and these are people that I don't know. The only person I knew in the room, and it's like 10
Mntobela.
people. Mntobela. And bro, my sister across the room, bro, she's scrolling through a TikTok. As I'm better with TikTok. And I think, like, you know, like our Insta famous, like, celebrities, Romu Blood. They don't do much, but, like, they're just famous on TikTok and whatever.
Yeah.
And she's scrolling through one of her accounts. And then she's like, wait a minute. Umuntu anokida. You know? And it was a video of me dancing in Smokehouse. Yeah, well, I was like, yeah, that's actually pretty cool. Yeah. So it was real. I don't know how you guys do it.
Carry who are you
I know.
rubbing heads with, bro?
mina
Into zekuyivulezi ezingabovulezi zikanyile lezi.
into
nje.
zamafrantali
uzanyalisa
idinga
shit.
ifrantali
Uzanyalisa, bro. I swear to God, bro.
Ngiyadlala nguthethe kumafoti.
Swear to God, my nigga.
That got real.
She's gonna choke, but she'll be serious, bro.
Nah, we're playing, guys. We're playing.
into mfoyikhuluma based on ama-events ayenzakale kwamanye ama-platforms ani ukuthi masibuya lapha podcast guys sizo like impilo yethu esiyiphilayo so thina singabangani
Yeah, true that.
like ngasiphuma la ngasiphuma
No, I
la
saw where this was going, Gutala, but I was like, no,
Go ahead.
so
Nangazi khuluma.
ngasibuya la like
Manza boy.
sibuya lapha sikhuluma sijoka as friends yabo like noma masiphandle siyabe sijoka as friends but masizahlangana like out there unga expecti ukuthi lokho engikwenza la like
Kwenza lawe.
ngiza kwanisa ukuthi ngikwenze lawe okunye
The energy won't be the same.
yeah like it's just a matter of being comfortable yabo
Yeah.
so ngizama ukuthi
On that note,
no,
let him.
anzama by all means ukuthi ngingakhuluma amabizo futhi ngingadeleli yabo like kumele si draw a line yabo like especially masokuthutsha izinto ezipersonal bakhona abakwazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni abakwaziyo it's fine but yabona sesilethe izinto ezingalani le podcast if umuntu eza commenta on anything esikhulumela or even iqala mina directly
It's cool.
like I don't mind yikho uPriz wathi i-contract oyisayinayo
Yeah.
ukuthi kwenzakale njalo but mawusulethe izinto ezingalani le podcast yabo amfuni ukuthi ngithi asisobangani but asobangani but yabona na
yeah,
like
maybe.
i-situation lena yokuthi
I think a good example
you could
is
respectana like
maybe sisipost umntaka amafoti
exactly
kuma comments like umafoti
Yeah.
nguye okhulumayo lapha somntanakhe so Umntanakhe is nothing.
Actually,
to do with this.
this I never.
Bafoti is fatherless at the moment.
Nah, exactly.
No. What did you say?
Why are you saying fatherless?
Mafoti is fatherless.
Fatherless behavior.
Fatherless behavior. I hate to
Man, oh,
Childless.
Mafoti, uba ngumsindo
Childless.
Mafoti.
Fatherless behavior.
Fatherless behavior.
as vele point yama safuna ukukhuluma nje.
No, but
Yeah, anyway.
Ufana experiment, you know.
Mafoti ngeke kulikhunda noma kujikele. Awujikelele phu.
What is talking
Manje asibona ukuthi uyaphuma nje.
Uzasibulala. But no.
Like,
Point
serious,
man.
like, dog,
Point
come on,
man.
bro.
Point yami ukuthi like lapho sihlangana khona outside the podcast asameni ukuthi sihloniphaneni like khona our personal spaces yabo. Singaqalisi kulethe ezinye izinto yabona ezingalani le podcast. Like any information I feel like last sifike I think sesazichaya ku podcast lapha kakhulu. Yebo para kulamanye ama situation please wakhuluma ngawo la ongafuna ukuthi maybe nxeku upost omunye umuntu yabo. So
Anyway, this is a new medium in podcasting. It's recent.
Yeah.
Actually.
Yeah. So some of this is uncharted terrain. It's not like the music industry where, you know, listen, there's going to be drugs, there's going to be... Mina, I always use this as an example. Before, when I only did the music, niggas used to, you know, just, how far K, please. But now, with this, so when I'm done with it, you know?
Yeah.
Which I'm also learning to adapt to. I'm saying,
Yeah.
this whole thing is new. So, unlike other mediums, people really get to feel like they know you intimately here. Because ubaxoxela for 2 hours every week.
Well,
And it's a stroke, bro. Like,
So, yeah, situation yeah. It's just one of those things that I'm just taking mid-stride.
But bemfuna ukuthi lingakhohli ukukhomenta ku YouTube. Lingakhomenti ku YouTube not ku WhatsApp.
right,
The
so
comment on YouTube, not WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Since it's my
okay,
fault.
I don't know. Mina, so I'm at days like from the time we started doing the podcast, since I'm right?
Yeah. It's like it's that way, right?
Kanji.
No, but you know what I mean,
Yeah.
right? You when I've done comedy and with comedy, people be like, when is the next show? And blah, blah, and they fucking move. And but with the with the podcast, the interaction is different. It's like my fault. It's like as if they've always been with you and they know you like that.
Because
right?
at the end of the day, bro, basilalela every man.
Yeah, yeah.
Like the connection yankhona vele is there.
But then
And we appreciate that.
Yeah.
It's not like
that I
something
don't have
we
a
don't
problem.
appreciate.
That
Yeah.
I don't have a problem.
Yeah.
And now maybe I feel they still need to understand. Remember, when I'm bugela, mina ngubukele type of thing. That's but it goes back to that thing. Ukuthi, I'm coming to the podcast. I'm telling you, me and my siblings, whatever I'm saying. Even some of you say I'm lying, for whatever reason. I don't give a shit.
I will a manga,
It's
but it's
comment,
fine.
right?
Yeah.
But here's the thing: you do
Anania.
not know me like that. So if you know me in my private life, beyond the podcast, don't bring it to the podcast. I'm supposed to bring it to the podcast. Mina personal.
Yeah.
Mina ngwami mfuzo ngubisa podcast, but we know ungawubisi.
I'm
I
not
think people need to know about
personally,
it.
I'm enjoying it. It's good times.
No.
It's nice being me.
There's a time. There's
I
a
ain't
time
gonna
when
lie.
there's a time when you try to fuck up with your life. You realize, Makanjo aso Jesus.
Yeah, but anyways,
Anyway, let's move, guys. It's not something that we should
Yeah,
really.
let's move.
on what like
Andu
Una
kulumema.
example ere.
ebafuna ukukhuluma
First we had example.
Yeah.
thathi mic
Nanga mama ekila. Nanga mama ekila.
hamba
Fuck.
I want to wear that.
That was dope link up.
Just so random, bro.
Yeah. Actually, that's a proper word.
moving,
That was a random
Which
link
one?
up.
Mina nyaza imoti yakamba. I'm like no.
Manini. Adi dingananga ukuthi nje ungabi.
No. So the car imoti yakamba.
I'm walking
Yeah.
avenues, bro. in pursuit of alcohol, bro.
And me, I'm in the car going indaba sisendlini
Khana venues ayisikho ku
babethengisa
Nah,
it's-
Avenues is big, bro.
Avenues is big.
Avenues, what's the meaning, Jay?
Yiko
Mina
ziningi.
sithengisa
And I
don't know.
I have a feeling I know where Vui actually stays. As in the person he stays with. So here's what happened, right? Imoto yadlula.
Fana
Noma
wayehostile.
kuthiwani. That's Vui.
Ngubulawa
Ngayisi
yona.
ngayisisani. Iwindi. Ngathi Vui.
Ngethukanga.
Obviously, ngathi Vui lo. So now, unfortunately, when I got to the flat government, I couldn't leave.
Oh,
Right?
mama.
But now this is how this was weird for me.
So long
I've
was
got this.
avenues.
Not even. Now.
There's an
Lizayalisana.
SDA guy who stays by Chinam. There's an SDA guy who stays by.
All right, then.
Flat
Ah,
Joseph
I'm a
College.
foot. I'm just coming on my personal things.
Okay, sure.
That's
That's good, I'm a personal thing.
That's catching.
catching flights
So like
to
this is how
catch.
this was weird for me. And
Yeah.
I've always got this recurring nightmare that like I know how I'm gonna die. And it's gonna be a drive-by.
Nah,
I'm
nobody's
seeing
gonna
a
shoot
car
you, bro.
slowing
Come
down.
on, bro.
Oh, here we go.
And then the window's rolling down. I'm like, oh shit, this is it. I'm like, as I tell my John, my foot as I am typing this one.
Manje yazi linalithi egroupini zelithi wena ngibodi just made my vote. Enza ngayitshela ukuthi how far doki?
Ngoba masikhuluma-
Uzothi usi 8.
Masikhuluma ngama drive by. Ngibone status. So my sister. Ongumngane wami othi ngiceda kulalela fuck them up Tupac. And he understand why ngikabile ngiyise baya lapha na.
Anyway, now my original point.
Yeah.
This is actually something that I never thought about this way, but right now as we're speaking, I'm realizing that it's actually so applicable. Like during that whole debate that I was having with people from the LGBTQI community on Twitter, I actually don't like people say, do you know, I actually don't remember like any solid point that they said. I felt like they were just gaslighting and failing to be held accountable. But I remember this one person who, like, she came at me in a very disrespectful way and as if we are ngazi. And I think after like two interactions and lo ngiyamkhumbula sesithethe said, then she's like, no, bro, but I'm a fan of the podcast. You know, like I really support all your content, bro. Like I really follow you like that. And then I'm like, yeah, bro, you came at me sideways. Yeah, but okay, fine, I shouldn't have responded to you that way. But in my mind, I'm like, you know, sometimes like they say familiarity breeds contempt. Yeah, even on screen, which is it's never been more applicable than now in social media.
Itheory yami ukuthi kuqala ukujayelana then sesiya kujayelana kubi.
Exactly. It's okay. dog. Like,
Because abakujayeli kubi nxa akujayeli.
but like, and I had to say like in very like explicit terms, which my sister, I understand your points, bro. I understand you're trying to, out of everyone that is coming at me, you're the only one who's trying to teach me. But in your approach, and you are a stranger.
That's fine. Sizela uzongkhumbuza enye story ngase ngisikhohlile. Idate yasikushow ya. Elanda mama Jida. Sebesithi, dog sicela ukuperform yabo. Sometimes first of all I'm running programming. They just tell me who's up next. Secondly, I can tell you for a fact we're already behind schedule because I say Alliance France.
Yeah.
They close at 10. It was already like 9:15. And I was showing them the guy who was on stage, was supposed to do 5 songs, is already doing 2. The next guy, these 2 guys are so I'm telling them, you look for people 2 days before you find out what people offer to perform. I said, 5-10 minutes long. That was you saw how that event was.
Yeah.
You could have easily done something there. But they also came towards the end, like the last 40 minutes. Do you know Israel organized that show and he didn't even perform? He just did like 1 song. So value. So ngizama explain Majida sises fumile. Ngithi ngichibile ngizwe ngithi luyanya lolu.
Asampandle.
Akabe inkaba sembezi nathi. Lelo Rico noTsefo.
Asambe phandle.
Ngabe ngihamba ngambamba ngaze mfundi. I want azwana dog. Ithi ngitshengisa. Ephone yami disent. As this show was going on, they kept giving me a new program every 40 minutes. I had like 6 different notes written, new program. Anginyi, bro. I'm just being. Siyakuza put there, siyakuza. Swima chenza, ngikholisa. Awuzwa ngahamba.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will still say though, in everything. Not that abantu laba ba right, but I think Lati as creators, we must understand that it's like occupational hazard.
Yes.
Yeah,
So that's why my point is going to Uti.
yeah.
Khuluma uMike.
Ah, cheki lokho ekwamva kulaka. Ulaka lo mlo spike arwe.
Yeah.
Anya lo.
Wabusuzikhuza ukuthi
Wazi kulo spike ulaka lo man. Anyway, it's chilled. Kuyathiwa yeah.
Singaba sasishaya enye into strong njani ngale event because ngasuka la ngivele sengiduma and I was like halfway through the event, bro.
And that thing ngale nkabi zami vele.
Yeah. And ngasuka le nkabi zakafika. So I left early that joint, bro.
Yeah, when I think also wasn't
Lafuna ukukhuluma what's happening locally or lisabu ukuthi
outside of my album. Thank you
yeah,
for
I
streaming.
think let's leave it there. I'm not got nothing to say about local news.
asikuchilo ke mafoti sikhulume ngakho.
Was fired.
Yeah, like the
That's
let's
the
just-
deputy
let's
minister
just
of
brush
higher and
through.
tertiary education.
Dog.
it's Perus.
Asifunde isikolo thina anyway. Wona mntu obukela podcast leyo ufunde primary or secondary.
Let me just pass a comment though. I think what we
No,
are.
I think
Mo-
only just to
please
give
in-
people context.
Man,
maybe-
man.
Brizini or him who said this at some point that tribalism is an all-time high. Oh, Breezy said it isn't racism, right?
But okunye mafoti mana
Wana-
ungaqayisa point up
yeah.
sorry. Asibe le balance. Kulabo sisi
Yeah.
labana abantu ulobhengolo wathengisa ilizwe ngechukela ku ZBC babaxotsha.
Yeah.
So la nxa owethu ngapha ku tribe yethu enze similar fuck up.
owethu wenzeni
They
like into
deserve
enzama
that
ukuthi
No, but
yenze
here's the
abantu.
thing.
Fake i context.
My thing is my thing is my thing is if here's the thing. There are too many stories. There are so many stories. And remember, we work with the government that pushes more propaganda than anything else. That even the truth themselves don't even know it. Wow. So we had a point where if what he did was tribalistic,
Umayibongo ukhangela.
wathi bhoza sizakhuluma uma siqeda la.
if what the government says he did is fucking wrong, right?
Umchita wenzeni?
Right? He fired a teacher for not being able to speak and Ndebele.
I think teacher ufundisa ngapi?
Plumtree, somewhere.
Angazi kusemakhaya but
Plumtree
she's
Makhaya.
teaching ECD kids.
Yeah.
Yeah, in Vubi, Matebele North.
That's the
Mathebele.
Plumtree.
When
And-
she could not speak the local
Abantu
language.
bebubi ebuhleni lapha.
Hayi. Let's go.
Hayi
Ungabona
kabi.
usigqoke ikepesi.
Hayi kabi bantu bebubi.
Hi.
Hayi kabi.
Hayi kabi bantu bebubi.
Abantu bebubi siyabuza.
Now in that context, and before we
Yeah.
go further, before we
Yeah.
go in too much into the story, there's now two ways to look at this, right? It's very valid. Like if you feel like as a member of parliament, something in your constituency is happening and it's affecting your constituents in a negative way. He didn't fire her, but he influenced her getting fired, right?
Yeah.
Let's get that right.
True.
Right. But genuine you feel, and I think we even talked about this earlier on. There's some studies that have shown because sometimes and in the formative years of a child's life, and they require education in their language. And you then feel this is not the best teacher for this child. You can then like for example, and in essence, bluntly put, like if it's in Ndebele speaking family, some studies have shown that between the age of 1 and 3 or 1 and 5, khuluma la ngesindebele. But now lapha sokulo teacher umfundisa isindebele. Isiqhamukileyo, like they're not getting the best experience that they can possibly get, according to these studies. And but angikwazi mafoti. Let me finish.
UNESCO, yeah. Over 10 years, not even just one study.
Exactly.
UNESCO.
So yeah. And this is something official.
Yeah.
Bon.
Yeah.
So there's that, and I agree wholeheartedly with it. But now there's also the point of what is his intention when he then influences that decision? Fine, the byproduct of what he's trying to influence can be positive for the child. But it could, like there's a very high possibility that this guy could have simply said, you know what, Shona lo tuvi, mundlo ahambi. There's a very, very high possibility that could have been like the
tone in
mindset,
it. Yeah.
the
Oh,
tone
yes.
influencing
The emotion
that.
behind
Yeah.
that.
So fine, the thing has happened and it's good for the kid, but in law they call it fruit from the poison tree or something like that.
Oh, yeah.
But he
Yeah,
wasn't
well-
fired. There was transfer. The teacher was transferred.
Oh yeah, yeah. And this is now the
Fire.
technicalities
Was
of it.
transferred.
Amaya kutricky manje.
Yeah, well.
Kocha,
So la yomuntu wethu,
Le
like
muntu
our
wasecoachwa
MP that
manje.
we are defending could still be wrong.
I think in Dabadiana Vele, it could also be an issue of maybe there was some solid logic behind it and maybe horrible execution, because I could tell with listening to that voice note, maybe the tone, there was a lot of anger in the tone with which,
Kule voice note.
where he was addressing the situation. I said, so this then, so I also saw some people trying to trivialize the thing. Ukuthi we can't judge someone's KPIs, key performance indicators. Just
KPIs,
ukuthi,
yeah.
do they know who to win? But Uqetu wasn't just like that. Was
Or maybe it wasn't a KPI, it was actually a key risk indicator.
exactly. So now the thing was, listen, that one thing is maybe symbolic of a larger problem going on.
Yeah.
But however, I think obviously Ulaga Loliana comes from maybe, when you're a minority,
Yeah.
Yes,
Discrimination.
there's a way
there.
projection.
Yeah.
of which
We are used to being disadvantaged. So this
Yeah.
one
Look
moment,
at it, it's
lapeng in the
happening
power
again,
corner,
yeah.
then I have to flex.
So maybe I can understand how that became the overall emotion that people received from that entire thing. But if logically, I think there was some sense behind you can't teach ECD kids without being able to speak their language. Of which maybe she could also, I also don't know. But some people are saying she actually could, but maybe
Yeah,
he
but
took it too far.
example, which you guys are taking your kids to private schools where they're taught English by
Yeah.
even white people.
But that's fine. That's the parent's choice.
yeah.
So if I choose for my kid to go to a school where I want them
The
to
government
learn
shouldn't
the
choose for me.
Yeah. Oh,
I
okay,
got when
okay.
country vele country sikiyo dog. Izinto
Le country, also country.
country
Le.
i-country lesikiyo le vele when it comes to izinto ze tribalism man abantu
It's
like
such
from
a sensitive
like from
topic,
abantu like from ama-camps achiyene
And it
vele
shouldn't be sensitive.
kulo muntu ongathi ummelele ukuthi
And what's crazy is
Yabo?
now that
It's similar to the thing that we're discussing
Yeah.
when opening this show.
Yes.
Ukuthi
We've
kule nto
actually
vele
moved.
ezihlala vele
we've actually moved
ziboyila
from
vele.
in that first scenario we were the majority and we were like
Now we're in the
Yes.
minority.
now
Yeah.
we've moved to so we've during the process of our conversation we've now been on both sides of what it feels like to feel like you're a
Majority.
disadvantaged
Disadvantage, yeah.
yeah
yabo. So mina indaba lena ngiyabaza ubuhlungu obabantu abadala bro when it comes to these things, and especially ukuthi ubona ngani even because one of the easiest ways to destroy a culture, African
Dr. Uma.
hey, it's coming. We are all of our history is oral, which means even our
That's
culture is
one.
carried in our language.
yeah
We don't have written history. Because of that, it was very easy for white people to destroy our culture because all they had to do was destroy our language. Indaba yemarch liyani talking liyani egoli liyani abantwana abana bayithwele talking about. Do you guys know the story behind it? What's that? That
I was
July.
actually
June-
debating.
June 16.
oh yeah
I was actually debating with someone. I wrote nketha spelling is correct. Obviously,
lesiyana esingala
eslo T. Mina ha eslo T esindebele lo phumula mina mbhalo lo H.
Ophu.
So then I said, nah, you're butchering it. I'm like, but
Even though Lope ngula wakhona.
So that was the issue with
So what
that
he's
one
saying,
Lokuzanin.
yeah.
So the idea behind you destroy a culture by destroying its language is very true, especially in the African context. But I think that's where most of that pain also comes from. But for that particular Lokuzanin, maybe I think the dismissal was also a bit harsh.
Mina, can I?
It was emotionally charged.
I don't think it was hard. Mina, I think the dismissing of the ministry is a clear statement by our government.
No, I don't. I mean, a teacher. Not
Okay.
a
But the teacher was not dismissed.
she was
Transferred.
transferred. Oh,
Meaning, this sister has a job. She has been probably taken to a place where she's more capable of. Tana wena lapha ukwanizi. Hamba
can
lapha
deliver
ukwanisa
there.
khona.
Okay, that
Hamba
sounds
lapha
fair.
deliver khona.
That sounds
Now
fair.
our government, instead of addressing the issue of why that teacher was transferred, decided to act in a way that our government always deals with such issues.
but ngicabanga like ukuthi
but into
ngiyabona
engisho
ama
khona siqalisa ukuthi eZBC kulabo sisilabana I don't think
Labo
lawo
baqotshwa laba?
No, mina-
kwaze
mina-
kwaqosha labo boss
mina
babo
mina ngiyavuma ukuthi baqotshwa mina okay ngithi naye permanent kaqotshwa minister but I'm still going to say in a larger scheme of things they should have as a government and in cabinet they should have then looked at in the first place that incident was not supposed to happen what caused it because they haven't addressed that
but
issue
what
yet.
if like
they haven't addressed
What?
that issue yes
what if izinto zonke zona lezi izwe sezilandele guys after that incident yabo sebezama uaddressa khona kuphela it's not like yonke decision abayenzayo baza
publicized, yeah, it won't be televised.
yeah yabo
sorry mina I don't know you guys might have the faith in this government I don't let me tell you why let me tell you
minister
why
ngokwakhe vele usapotelani
let me tell you why
hayi man ngicabanga something zakaqhubeki ngibona ukuthi imbono yami ngiyidinga ukuthi ngifake na uminister support yiphi part
uminister awusoze ube nguminister ngingaswela
Awusweli
ukuthi
ngebathu,
u-MP ngoyevotelwa ngabantu uminister
Sure,
ukhethwa
boys,
ngumember so
hayi
bese bemhleki ukuthi
Yeah,
that's
but-
what you get for
Isn't
sleeping
the
with the
minister also,
devil.
even the minister also an MP in that
Nah,
area. But here's the thing.
ndoda.
Here's what I'm trying to say.
atipindi panapo atipindi
Here's why I'm saying.
Ngenze mudanga eh
iwe
Let's danga nditi, but what I'm trying to say is, this is. I might sound so political, but this is
wena wazananka wena
a clear. Yeah, this
You
is a
bet,
clear.
Dumisani.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter.
Identifying him with his
But
proper
this
name.
is a clear. This is a clear way our government has always dealt with anything that happens in Matabeleland. It's nothing new. It's nothing new. This is how they do it. Government will talk of devolution when they want votes, but they'll never devolute anything.
Okay, let's move forward.
Thank you.
Let's go see in context, and
No, I mean
Nah,
that's
it's
true.
no we understand
now
we get
giving
it.
context, and people who are on the minister's side, regardless of the party that he belongs to and so on,
because at the end of the day we're all human
we are all
beings.
human beings.
Yeah.
And we shall rise.
Yeah.
Now let us pray.
Amen.
So anyway, abantu abaningi even gave an example. This wasn't as publicized or televised, whatever, as this particular, but a similar incident. Deputy minister or minister of tourism, Top Barbara something, saying exactly.
actually came to Garden of Falls. Shout
Yeah,
out
she
to
was
her.
there.
Shout out to her. We're too late there. We didn't
We're
care
too late,
about
man.
her,
We didn't
but-
give her the shout out she wanted, but
Yeah,
you know,
but shout out to her. for
we
pulling
apologize
up.
for that.
Yeah.
But anyway, apparently, and this is not verified information. Apparently, a while back, she got into a spat with a police officer. I think whether roadblock or generally, and she said something
You were
along
there?
the lines of
I remember the voice notes and everything.
exactly.
Yes.
But it was very intimidating. Something that really like insinuated abuse of office. The same way people will say that this minister of ours also was abusing his office by influencing such a decision, whether it's transfer or dismissal of a teacher.
Yeah, because
But nothing happened to her.
minister
Yes, nothing happened to Barbara. Yeah.
minister
Now you're bringing-
minister kulezinye indlela yabona kade nga addressa ngayo like into lezi yabo
Even minister usapotelani.
But
ngathi akuhambanga kahle abafisayo ukuthi baqhubeke conversation i-comment section ikhona
genuinely feel
basitshele
like
ukuthi like bacabangani
I genuinely feel like we've been taunting the government a lot. And
Yeah.
one day
They're gonna get us.
they're
yeah.
gonna fuck us up.
yeah this is a crime.
Like what we keep pushing the limits.
But what if Lailan,
What
what if maybe sawa ngama like chosen ones ukuthi hayi like siyabona ukuthi vele abantwana bayakhuluma but lokho ofana vele kuyaphapha vele
You can
Kuyaphapha, like kuyaphapha vele
Ukandoro wasinika ama-GMs. Kandoro was like, don't mark the man. Mark the ball.
wena kulabantu ngamela like
Yes,
lezi
that's
zinto
what he
futhi ame
said.
like usubuya futhi nge-disrespect akula muntu othethise anyone la
No,
like into
no.
esizikhulumayo
Exactly,
futhi la izinto ezi-out there
Asikho personal
Yabo.
like uthi
Yeah.
siqala ukuthi ha
And even then, we didn't say we believe this or-
departure
And I think
Even a umtipa.
yeah
generalize uphela izinto so
yabo.
I was like,
Perchance.
I think okunye okusenza sibe ngathi like during the conversation sesifika sithi vele kukithi bro like kukithi ukuthi ngambe bembone ivideo yomjita ade khuluma i-difference between ama-protest we-Uganda le-Kenya. Esithi ngabona e-Kenya liyagada like imoto zamapolisa, but kithi lapha e-Uganda like our discipline system like is very efficient. Lokuthi nxa abantu sithi abantu nxa be-protesta ba eKenya bayalanda amapolisa. Thina siyava.
Bro, like actually on that note,
the reason being we appreciate life. Like
exactly, preserve life.
Bruh,
But Kenyan people are just built different, bro. There's this one item, it was actually reposted by Andrew Tate. Maybe I can't check by Jig.
That's what the payment of.
Yeah, we come
Beveli chinjanisa futhi.
iwokile itabanzo ibona
And then there's another guy ngena ku protest into rackets.
Photoshop, bro.
no dog
No. Those are real
things, bro.
real stuff.
have you seen the saying what is some people are
Real stuff.
born with greatness, some people stumble onto greatness, some people have greatness thrust upon them. That man did not wake
No,
up that
Kenyan
day.
people generally, bruh. I was about to say there's an own who came into a protest at Tuli Racket.
Any backhand.
Iti 40 love.
I'm buying a video. Like it was a skit. It was a skit. Like bunga chita itulo chero one.
Yeah.
Be plana like you protest Zimbabwe. So lapha I protest yethu siza plana so.
And my bad.
But ize beqedile lapha. Olo andoza wazithi. Alright Masungo. Honest still wathi no inini ndili part of the what workmate so iwe lelo olulodwa la wesilona alicontributanga shit, but the fact that belikhona ku conversation and like I feel like amaZimbabweans sesa like I feel like majority bra siya accept the situation.
Do you know?
There's a CIO even right now.
Do you know our protest like Kenya, right? You know how people can look what Kenya is doing. Tina Zimbabwe docile. Do you know the newspaper came in next morning saying what the government it says people should not instigate what violence. What I mean, like no one said anything about instigating violence, but somebody check. Zimbabwe. You live in Zimbabwe.
That's how we know there are anarchists that are looking up to Kenya who are watching you. I'm like, what the fuck?
Anarchist in front
Dog, imagine.
There's a video,
Zimbabwe,
a really wild video that I saw. President of Kenya, like after all this was said and
When
done.
you posted it, dog.
By Jake, remember my interview, and the guy is like, you know, in this protest, like there's been many casualties. One of them is a 12-year-old boy who was palmed with like 8 bullets.
Yeah, dog.
I'm a bullets on 8
Live rounds.
Yeah, I'm a bullets on 8 and. When as a president and
Utini
seeing
ngakho.
that, like Utini ngakho, what you say, the first thing that this guy says is like, that 12-year-old boy, is he alive? Over and I was funny appeal. So he literally like
I think
the leg that he had to stand on.
I think.
But did you die?
No, I
But
think
did you die? Exactly.
Really? That was his answer?
I think
you die?
benga so my life bullets.
But people
But
died in those
When
protests. So
underage.
they were, yeah.
8
Even then,
8 bullets.
Alive.
Alive.
how 50% the chamber? I'm trying a 9.
Yeah. Kulomunye
It's possible if they didn't hit vital.
vegetarian guys.
Uteni?
Kulomunye umchopho wakho
Like your
vegetarian.
brain.
Lwana simbonile. But in delay 8 bullets, even if it wasn't live rounds, that doesn't.
Like for you to
dog.
shoot at a 12,
At a
you can
12-year-old
clearly see
8
ukuthi
times.
lo ngumfana omncane lo.
Dog, to even shoot at a grown up 8 times.
Boys maybe ngiya to ujathi. Msocha msuka.
What you hope?
Manje
Maybe babela my domestic problem. Uthi yikho ungabhadali maintenance wena msocha awuthi.
msocha wathi. So kule thread endlane layo ku Twitter. Like angazi bakhona abachadela nxa bekhona abazasinceda. So ngama discussions omele ayenzakale.
Lo fatherless ukhona.
Lo fatherless mafoti. So like ngama discussions or omele ayenzakale before abantu be decide to go relationship. I'm not sure ukuthi committed relationship or marriage, but I feel like really a relationship yonke vele. So nzabe ngwaqamba la.
Nasicame relationship enjani?
My take on this,
Vele kumele ibe
some
serious.
of these relationships don't start off as serious for you to be discussing such
Yeah.
things. But
Yeah.
anyway, let's just go.
But
through them.
ungazinanzeleli sesiba serious la. It
Well,
doesn't
once
right.
it's serious, then umuntu
bring
lo
this
je
up.
kumlandi ndoda. Then sesingayalela nyama text.
Asikakhulumi.
Khuluma che.
Raw vele sihle wathi biyanini le leto zini lezi.
Nah, I'm preempting it. Let's go.
So to discuss. I uvuke kahla lokhu uze vele.
No, let's discuss. Let's discuss, guys. No.
Oh.
Let's discuss, yeah. Let's
Okay.
discuss.
Oh, okay.
To discuss the bills.
Oh,
Which bills?
hey, Blinky Bill.
Mbano zabe keep
I'm a bill of
imali.
rights.
Mbano zabe keep imali ku relationship. Izikhwama zakho.
Yeah.
I'm
And
sure.
this is a very honest conversation.
I'm sure
bro.
that also covers ukuthi wena vele ngini ngubani okade.
Yeah.
Okay. I would feel.
Mike yakho ngathi off mafota ngazi what's happening. Be off. Is he on guys?
You see, let touch my body.
Anyway, the bills.
Something is wrong with the mic. Intambo le angazi ukuthi khamba njani na.
Ava.
Yeah, so sharp.
Okay, so the bills. I feel this is what I would probably say. I think I've said it before to this other girl. The bills for me are like this. Let's just say we are renting, right? I pay the rent, I pay the water, I pay amageti, I make sure the groceries are there. I'm the man. These are my duties. This is what I'll do. I will do every basic thing if we're not gonna.
Yeah, but the question is,
right?
are you comfortable now? Are you having that conversation with your girl?
Nido
The girl
ngamtshela
you're
zona
dating? Because no,
So yeah, continue.
hypothetically.
because the question is not whether or not gently avuma uthatha ama bills. No, Lokiana, that's a
No, we do discuss.
But the question is,
discussion obweni ngathi millions
is that
Yeah,
a
it's
discussion
the
you can
discussion
have with
supposed to
someone
happen.
you are getting into a
Yes,
relationship with?
it has to. It has
Now,
to.
why wouldn't think, bro?
Because
Because
if you
Alpha's loud.
assume, you see, assumptions will kill you, Pambi. Usingo we are 7 so that 50-50 rent, and that's not the case.
How about when you broke boy these days? What
So-
about bills?
So what happens is you have to talk. We have to talk and agree. And when as a man, you have to lead. So that conversation, if not all
100%.
conversations, must be led by you as a guy. That's what I think.
Like, who's the broke boy?
Until I know when okay, can I
How
help
to
you
start
get rent?
in like a conversation in my bill so.
How many years to say that?
No. But alihlali lonke. Remember alihlali lonke. Alihlali lonke. You're preparing to say, should we get married? Or when you get married, or we're saying we are now
Or
engaged.
usubona potential.
Yes. So
I always think the best segue to these things is people telling childhood stories. You can always tell what a girl's perspective of a relationship is from how it happened in her family. Because most of us cannot escape that.
Or you set
Because
up,
the thing is in the-
Yeah,
or you
sometimes
set
I think ama stories on la uthi komthi Jake ezinchayisa lecho mlamo uma 40 literally ufuna ukubhadala ama business ngibhadala ngumfazi. I response yakhe iza kutshela
I
ukuthi
think
yena umenga.
Grand
Yeah,
Sharp
yeah.
yilokhu.
Even kulama movie
Liyabona
set up.
Yabona indlela move ngayo ku podcast from a different topic to another topic. Into yangikhona la usungayi marinate like that.
Siyalizama la. Sifunza umjolo.
Indlela.
Let's just reference some series.
But unganochama pushing abomjibiza. So makhala abomjibiza la.
Ngathi yiyo dog.
Ubuya ngapha yena.
Ngiyakhuluma mina manje.
Khuluma dog. Ufuna ukukhuluma ama pills.
No.
What's happening?
I feel like if we end this podcast without saying this, we're gonna get really fucked up.
Okay.
Yeah.
We
No, like because we spoke about this Qalis. So to give the fuller picture, right, we definitely have to talk about this.
okay. What's happening?
Yeah, like right now. We've gotten an update and from we don't even know exactly where it's coming from. But it's like another version of what happened to this girl who got abducted. So I'll read it out loud.
Abducted.
Bala.
Manini
Bala.
Nanthanda abantu abangikhulumelayo.
Like Android.
Yeah, ngapho usebenzisa Android egoqwayo. You
Kave ifoni
Motorola
ngoba nele.
motherfucker.
Anyway.
Sisebenza ifoni yani nje so ele.
Usuchanga square root. The fuck?
Ngicanga ukukhuluma abantu abanamafoni aduru kula.
Cela ubale phela la emfuni yakho le.
Right.
Hey, sokuyigoqa.
Right. Again, I will leave out the name. Yeah, the name is all over this thing, but I won't say it out loud. Right. X. And sweet. Actually, let's make it interesting.
Yo, vui.
Sathi they.
Suspense engaka nje.
All right. Friday, 28th of June, 2024. They was supposed to check in at an Airbnb in Harare after traveling from Bulawayo. They never checked in as they was abducted, taken advantage of, and left in a remote area after a night out with friends. It gets worse. Right. They was abducted by someone claiming he would take they to her Airbnb, to their Airbnb. Sorry. You know what? Let me just read it as it is.
Yeah, be serious.
All right. It's a very serious thing.
Yeah.
Right. She was abducted by someone claiming he would take her to her Airbnb while she was inebriated, like drunk, whatever.
Yeah, and this can be corroborated by the CCTV thing. Did you see them?
All right.
The person seemed really drunk when they
Kule
Kule
CCTV.
CCTV.
The CCTV
yeah.
bephume
Full
club.
footage, civil, yeah.
Okay.
Isiyangena ku-cab. So
Okay.
the cab driver,
Continue.
iintombi zama-taxis nomnqamlezweni yazi.
Ndoda.
Continue. sis.
All right. He did not take her home, but instead robbed and sexually assaulted her. She was later found along Bulawayo Road near Norton. She then walked from there and made it to
GIF.
GALZDIC, whatever that is. I don't know where that is. Monday night around 9 p.m. where she slept. So this person was missing from Friday, the 28th, till Monday night, 9 p.m.
So from like Saturday, Sunday, we woke up.
Crazy, dog. It is
Unless
crazy.
maybe bemreleasing a Sunday.
That's crazy, dog.
No, but they say like I don't know, and well, I don't want to start asking insensitive questions, but like it would be great. Well, not really great, but like would like to know would like ordeal you and Aliana, like was it like a weekend long thing or like so much yeah. But it goes on.
That was on the minutes channel as right.
Yeah. So try whatever her is currently receiving support and assistance during this difficult time from loved ones and has already received medical support. We shall respect her privacy and journey to healing in the meantime while wishing her the best moving forward. It has been a very difficult time for everyone, but we are all relieved to have her back home. Thank you. Now, this is what I wanted to say. Everywhere where I'm seeing this, for some reason, and I suppose this is why this podcast is here, for some reason, people are not buying the story.
Really?
Yeah.
Indawo zawantu channel usibeleni kwezomchato.
Yeah.
Bengikhuluma ngama-bills.
Yes. Basically, my bills.
Ilokuzeni ikhephu lena ungayithinta vele.
Akuyilethi
my
ile
bills.
bottom la. Ile power top le.
Abantu bayibona ukuthi awufanga.
Ama bills mina ngithe
Urafu
iprogram umuntu ungabring up wenzani uli broke boy.
Bese liyiwisa.
If wena kavuya thola ama back shots. Libe leyibona.
Asenze so. I-Android ngitshengisa like illustration ye-market yamafoni ukuthi uhamba njani. This is an Android. Sifaya so.
Ngafike njani wena? Ngafike njani?
Angichi. Thathe iPhone le uyimisa.
iPhone.
Le uyimisa ngemuva. Nxa usuyimisa njalo uyimisa nge-aki.
So. I'm trying to put on camera again. Don't worry, it's fine.
Kuphumile.
But anyways,
We're on bills.
Ralph, would you want to say anything about the bills? A discussion about bills.
As I had said, guys, into lezi dating ngazi ukuthi sile experience enganani ukudate sonke la, but usually when you're dating someone kalutshwana ukuthi like kuhle ungena sithi umuntu lo ngifuna ukushada la. So some of these things you find along the way ukuthi like, this person is actually my type, umuntu like I can spend the rest of my life with, and then at that point that's where things like trade-offs end up coming in. But of course these are important conversations to have.
Then
But
kule
are so manual like indlela abakwenza ngayo laba. Like I usually see this post le ikonje. They usually post these things. Ingani job interview uthi bazakubuza ukuthi do you work well under pressure?
Awenzi like-
Ungathi no, then they don't
into
hire
lezi
you.
azenzakali like
Eh.
in one day and it's over a period of time actually.
Exactly.
then
So ihlale one langa lapho liyathatha khona ilist le criteria ukuthi wena you have
Wena
ama
awufa-
principles
awufa-
akho wena kwini lokhu.
Ah,
Then
vele-
after that conversation isida liyaqubuka lehlukana.
Vele
Nah,
nahlala
it doesn't
phansi
happen
lenze
like that.
iconversation njalo ya break up. Doesn't matter
vela.
when you communicate.
especially
break up.
mawuthi likulanda like ngendlela okubhalwe ngayo so
Exactly,
like ukulanda directly futhi but
You can't be too direct ngento exactly.
awungeke ube direct vele but ngama conversation embone ngana
Yeah, they're important.
Faka amanye ama-points
kule religion futhi
Very important.
I think ukuthi vele sikhombisa abatha.
Very important.
We know.
Very important. Very
Yeah,
important.
very
I have a friend of mine.
obvious.
I have a friend of mine. He was Anglican. Eh? Yeah, the girl was SDA. It didn't work out. He had another girl who was SDA. Because all the time this girl was saying, "When you church yako, ubuzo sonde church yami."
yeah
Right?
and our church is more
Always the time. Until we got this other girl who was SDA, and he actually converted
To
from
SDA?
Anglican to SDA.
Why is it totally
Right?
mapakishi?
yeah
Right? He,
Inkomo, why is it
and
inkomo
now here's the
zakhe?
thing, he didn't tell us. Sathi discover so sepapatiziwe thina. So not, you know, say yeah.
yabo Wendy.
Because into la don't know. Do you know why? Because into la bekhuluma ukuthi mina ngingachiche chami mina ngingachiche voucher. Now so wenzakala. And now
Achiya, dog.
we have never even had that conversation, but I've always believed that religion should be discussed in the sense of ukuthi this is what I believe, mina, on my foot. If I'm Anglican, I was born Anglican. I haven't been to Anglican in a very long time, but I'm Anglican. If I'm going to marry a girl, the wedding can happen at church young Gibo, right? But when it's done, she's taking my surname. Usuwa ngiba uya kondlovu wenza kwenza kwabani.
Ndlovu
And the children's name are going to be
Ndlovu
so what's across the way.
But
That's
you-
what I believe. So this is what you're supposed to discuss before you even.
but mina
Anyway. So asambe church usongiro kya. Asambe sonke church.
i-religion ngiyayilinka lelo kuzenini le parenting embona beyifakile la
Yeah, yeah.
ukuthi alright sharp akhona amanye ama-instances ukuthi ungena ipostori mina ngenisa water but uthando lwethu vele lukhulu ukudlula ama-church esinjani esiwangenayo it's fine baby
Thando lwethu, it's all white.
it's
7
all
days
white.
a week.
7 yabo
Or more.
yabo so
Ngibone manje clip kaChomlana eZion lana iZion. Okade zama ukukhipha lana omnye ingane bathi zama umkhipha idumona ke chaya ikhanda so.
ambona
Esithi come ay anza litshengisa.
bemfundini bengikhuluma ngani
Kabelo.
bengikhuluma
My church religion.
Ama-church.
Parenting.
oh yeah ukuthi alright sharp ama engikubona kuyidanger ukuthi nxa lingazange laba le conversation yena leyo ma singena ama churches are different singazange sakhuluma like abantwana nxa sebekhona kulama religion la nothi abantwana nxa besasebancane babhabhathizwa abanye badedicatwa like
Banathiswa amanzi.
banathiswa amanzi
alisawudo.
uyabo so izinto ezinjalo sisakwazi ukuthi alright umntwana sekhona bazahamba kuyiphi church
Yeah, you have to discuss that. You have to discuss
yeah.
that. Because you know
When
that
church
church, let's visit my church or let me visit your church. So what do you think if this, you know that, kuyapha those
yeah
conversations.
because nxa ukuthi alright lithi liyathandana ngendlela elithandana ngayo noma usukuthi ichechi liyayithanda alingeke lihambe Saturday leSunday
No.
Ali-
akukho
Mina-
practical.
mina-
Vele kule
akukho
inye
practical.
umeni-
I remember-
you can't save two masters.
I remember
Kule
there's-
church ezachiwa.
There's an SDA girl I was dating, and we always had an issue. Esithi kona ngithi ngiyakusho on a Friday evening. I have a
Sabatha
show.
mafowethu.
Ethi
Sihlangabeze
Sabatha
sabatha
seliqalile.
yeah, and then ngithi
Umele
kona
ubuze kwesikaftini.
you know ngithi kona sasa kule family fund thing ngabe let's go. Then I'm going to church. So it was always going to anyway I said kona I cannot leave my church. So clearly
Esithi
whatever we're
ama-chance
having
vele bese sifly
whatever we're
ema-40.
having was never going to go anywhere. So it's important to really have this.
Me and my wife were talking this past weekend. We were talking about, we just went down a rabbit hole and started talking about, wena lama ngasaqalisa kule nkani wena la ungafuna uzwisisa. Yena yawona ke siphikisana ukuthi uyahlanya mina ngingakutshela singathandani wena mina la saba blind. Saphikisana. And then later, you know, we just kept having this back and forth. Ukuthi mina yimi ngangazwakali kodwa ngathi sengisharp. La mina mtshela wena ngungazwa this. Ngathi mtshela but you know what? I enjoy the banter we're having, but you know, in a situation where two people genuinely love each other, over time they corrode each other's individualism and slowly start. It never even seems like a big deal for you to start making these small changes to accommodate.
Compromise,
them
yeah.
Because you know, okay, once this person's happy, I'm happy.
But I feel like
3 years later, I'm post story, baby. Drop.
But man,
If you were like, say it's him drop him on peak.
Mara
I'm
ngime,
dropping
ngime phansi.
still. Then I can't phuma offer any lift.
sebekubuza ikari wena
4 years later, suphakathi.
sungu elder.
So one would, God damn it.
so don't post
Semphakathi.
Don't postiolas.
Postiolas.
Postangos.
So usually, I think in a genuine relationship, these conversations are okay to have.
Yilo like oluzayenza into zenziwe secretly. Like
Ziyahlangana.
ngawuthanda
And
ubona
logic.
ukuthi
And logic.
mina yime nguposition
You might say
yokubhadala
love.
ama bills. Awusoze feel like betting you're just going to pay the bills, bro.
And even
Mina-
though,
Mina, I think
here's the thing.
tolerance-
Sorry, man.
Yeah.
You can have the conversation at first, and obviously, the first time you have the conversation, it's gonna be a bit jarred because you're gonna have maybe two different views. Tinganalivumelani.
Yabele nkani omunye lo munye
Lo-
bezama
lo-
ukudefend
lo- But
i-religion yakhe.
uzazimangala a while later ukuthi phela umuntu lo wayesithi mina lokhu ngeke ngikwenze, lokhu ngeke ngikwenze. None of you have crossed over to each other, but someone selahlanganisa into.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lwana so we see 40%, lamanga we see 40%
Do
sesihlangane.
you know?
Selling
Do you know
on my
that's wow. Okay. Wow. Okay.
I'm finding is gaining momentum these days.
Oh,
It's
oh.
so hard over.
But do you know that I always tell people about my relationship? There's no such thing. I'm an independent woman in a relationship or an independent man in a relationship.
Yes,
You are
yes.
accountable to your other
Yeah,
to your other half.
accountability very
Right?
nice.
So if you are, so there are things.
Big group work.
So now we love, I think also tolerance is important and logic.
Hayi logic keep a 40s.
Be logical. No, do you want to know what I'm saying? So do you want to know what I'm saying? So do you wanna know-
Logic yehlise ku triple lapha.
Bavuthuza
Yeah,
ngephela.
logic ifake maybe ku mid.
Because at some point, because the way you just need to be no emotions, just be logical.
Ah, 40s.
That's what I'm saying. Ifake ku mid.
Yeah,
It can't-
yo, some.
Let's go down the list.
Aye? No, yeah.
Let's go down the list.
Sexual expectations.
This I think you usually
This one you don't talk
actually,
about.
This you actually figure
Yeah,
out.
bon.
Figure out as you go.
experience.
Pick it up.
ukuthi hayi
Yeah.
mina ngithanda 5 rounds lo ngani ngasesiku3 sediniwe.
Yeah,
Sibonela
yeah.
No,
lokho
maybe
I feel like
I'll
look-
buy him pills next time, stuff like that.
Into zelokhu izini.
Yeah.
Lezi into ze-communication lezi.
Imama lithini nge-blow job so.
Hayi uzabona
Uyabuza
ngani
njalo.
ukuthi abantu lo
Lokuthi yaginywa megaginya
uzabona
lausa.
ukuthi umuntu lo
Uzabona.
this person swallows
Yeah,
this one doesn't
uyabuza.
swallow. Hey.
Imama let's talk about what before you get into a relationship. We
Imama-
was a very cafe uthi imama lithini nge-blow job.
Sayitshune ini mama.
Uyaginya yini?
Uzothi omunye wathi
Uyakhafula.
pass it open kimi ngathi phuma kwa.
Phuma la.
Hloniphane.
Hlonipha.
Hloniphane.
Okay, kule family
Sex lokhu liyazibonela nxa lisenza guys. Sontela ngikhuluma.
family health history.
I think that might be a big one.
So
Yeah.
there's a girl.
Angisoze ngikuthi ethu bamdala wami ule ngithengile i1.
No, but here's the thing. There's this girl. This girl says to me, Mina.
Futhi selibhodile.
No,
Amankazana.
she's not my girlfriend.
Ngamankazana
This is not my
aswele lawo
girlfriend.
lokhu-
This is not my girlfriend.
From 2009 to 2019. All of a sudden, this girl.
This actual conversation happened this year. This friend of mine.
Yeah.
Why she's single. She's like, bro, Mina, I'm now looking at her history. I need to know ukuthi ngiba kula muntu okwahlala mental problem. I need to know because I don't want this passed down to my kids. I'm like, how are you gonna find out? Me, I ask and I actually even talk my family gatherings. I even ask the sisters. I need to know. Me, I'm like, okay, that's wild, but it's actually important.
Ukubuza.
Yeah,
Do you know what? Nxa kulo mntwana, nxa kule history anemic. Let me be honest, especially if you're dating a girl who's anemic and you want to be raised anemic. You understand when she's about to give birth how dangerous it is.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah,
Anemia
like
is
you need to understand. You need to know. Ukuthi, what are we gonna pass on to our children?
Yeah, when into ekhuluma dog, ngiyayivuma. But into ebuhlungu ani, ukuthi nxa usuphakathi komjelo umuntu usumfuna. Uzama ngoba kuthiwa ubaba omdala wakhe wale BP.
No.
That's what I'm saying. You can
but
ngutshile ukuthi
That's a tough
i-conversation
one.
le guys. You can have this conversation but iqiniso ukuthi maybe even entweni zona esiziqambela apha eziyi-10 uzabona ukuthi maybe umuntu lo ufeyile entweni eyi-1 upase eziyi-9
Yeah, but that's
what
also
are
the
the odds of
no,
you
but that's the
finding someone
compromise.
who's
No,
going
no,
to pass
but
the 9
that's-
again?
this is why I said tolerance comes in. That's why I said tolerance.
plus futhi
Out of
kuyadepend.
10 things, out of 10
Kuyadependa ngawe
things.
futhi ukuthi wena yini ongayitolerate.
Exactly. It's all about tolerance at the end of the day. You might have these conversations. Now it's for you to know what you can tolerate. These conversations are just for you to say, I can tolerate this, I can't tolerate that. That's why you're having these conversations.
engani yangitrigger indaba ye-bad eyesight. Because I've seen bad eyesight being passed down genetically. Umdala ingero lingaka, uba mdala ingero lingaka, umasala ingero lingaka.
Yeah, true.
Udasi ingero lingaka.
Sasifele ukuthi asibone.
Umntana akho vele chance
Mina-
wena la ungatholi itshele
Mina
bro.
now-
It's gonna happen.
Mina,
bro.
my story about my eyes.
Uzabe phumpa ukuthi
Mina-
i-cleat fana.
Fana kube
Mcini. Eish. Ay, this boy.
ngicini wena njengako kumele uthole itshele le-Zoom.
Amakheroti kabi ngoba intwana yakho iyakhula.
Ayalimala.
Mcini.
Sas-
Mina, there are two stories about my eye, but fuck the stories, all right? But then I was reading.
But kungaba, I
only
feel like
coming-
man.
Eh,
Before uqhubeke ngani.
eh.
Kungaba into hayi ukuthi ngeza ngithi very Kukhuluma ifact.
Wazama
I'm cool.
ikhanda.
I'm cool with it. Go ahead.
Ukuthi umntana akhe ngaphuma elelihle elinjengelakho yathini.
So I was holding a book,
Yeah.
a government, a heroes, my heroes Lenana. I'm praising through. I see my uncle Baba Mtalami. Yet it was not this bad, but it was almost.
Yeah,
like
the similar thing.
So in my mind, I'm like, so this is
Like ilihlo
genetic,
lakhe lale autofocus.
something like that. So chances are,
This guy is a hero,
chances
guys.
are, this
It might
might be
repeat
passed
itself.
on.
But mina I think kulokunye usungaphila lakho. Mina I think kulokunye. You consider la
Like,
utshela
serious,
ukuthi-
this I might be
Luthando,
passed
Luthando,
on.
bro.
So there are things you need to know.
Because
here
the
and
fact
there.
that yena ukwanisi ukuthi aku tolerate like kunjalo.
Oh, actually, gents, the point of this type of conversation is to also pick, I can live with this.
I cannot.
cannot.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Tolerance
So I
things.
wonder, yeah, it's true.
Yeah.
But eyesight yakanhlupha indaba eyesight yakanhlupha sibili. Because mina
Awusujolela kwamangerwane kakhulu.
mina I think ifike ngila mina lokuyi medical condition so mina ngokuyi medical condition kwami lokho ukulose eyesight ngiyakwesaba like really fucked up, but it's because of some childhood trauma. So because of that, do you know now when I have nightmares anzake mphuphe like ngimza zinyoko bathakathi mphupha ngaboni. That is my nightmare literally like in my life. In my dreams I'm losing my eyesight. So because of that, hey mina ngiyesaba nje ukuba nomntwana o. Hey ngizakhuluma so futhi machance kwenzakala. Listen.
No, but
God provides.
yeah, but
Inshallah.
like yabona ukuthi enye futhi idata. Ngabona umamazi lingibo line yangibo idata lingane yalivuvuki. Lani ngina livuvuki. Chances are veve umntwana la idata lingavuvukiyo.
Pari
Liyapheka
Tuesday.
ustola, liyabaza ustola. Liyabaza ustola lini.
Yeah.
But
I'm just saying. It's a possibility. It's a possibility.
But mtala uza kustopa njani ngoba lani ngini. Yabo, lani
umntwana
ngini.
odonsa nzima kwezemfundo.
Kwezemfundo.
Letha Ronaldo amshoba bethela ama CV.
Mina the things I'm discovering.
But lokhana kuchintsheke bafethu. Like ulwazi
Ubadala.
No, kule new
There's a software and a hardware.
But one thing, but one thing I can say also, in as much as it might actually be passed, Dam might be passed. Why? But there's a thing this other guy was saying. Why is it gonna? Sometimes our kids end up being. It's got nothing to do with parenting. Remember, there are 23 chromosomes from each side. How many chromosomes?
That make up 47. I think we get 47 in total. 47 or 48.
But I think avela kumdala maningi.
yakhona like
whatever.
ukuthi
Now
kuyatholakala sometimes
Imagine
ukuthi
over generations ngomama sehlangana right? And when it's happening everything is mixing biological. They're instilling some values.
Nature
Society is doing this and this. So chances are whatever product you think you're building might not actually come out exactly as you want.
Now, for example,
No matter how good parenting
none of
you
my
are.
parents are tall. They're both just average heighted people. But Minalo Rico was one.
DNA have now sometimes. But anyway.
But you know
but you know what?
what?
But yabona ukuthi manje, yabona ukuthi ngikhaya, you've seen Big Tim.
Yeah.
You've seen my
Oma
young sister,
39.
right?
39.
You've seen my young sister. You've seen my
37.
older, but when you see my older brother, you can never say. But then older brother, one of my features of most features are babami. Babanga and what. So in generationally, kulezi izinto that will
But
continue.
mina engazange ngakuzwisisa sesingakhuluma sithi abantu bayahlukana.
Eh.
Lonke linyama chu
Ngankhaya.
endlini. Iwani qhamukile yellow point. Hayi.
Possibility.
Singaqambela ama-jeans amangaka.
Possibility,
Ah,
bro.
nah,
Bro,
Imi-
I'm gonna say this. Remember how many chromosomes crossed over, bro? I will guarantee you every general recessive. Okay, did all of you do that DNA thing in school? RX, RR, XX.
Mina
Ama recessive
ngangoma-sport.
genes and
Ni RX
ama dominant genes. Ama recessive and dominant genes.
must.
Where there's a
Ngangoma-sport.
bigger R and a small R. Oh, kuthi kona i-gene yellow bone umdala ulalo. And at that point, i-yellow bone
What are the
likamdala
odds?
le gene le-yellow bone likamsalo lahlangana. Kwase kuphuma umntwana
Into yena le
Ijini
yenzakala
enjalo
kangakanani?
ngandlalo isikhathi
It
color
happens,
blocking,
bro. It happens when you actually do that breeding. When you even do breeding, you actually see over a period of years, there's a dominant gene and there's a recessive gene.
Have you guys seen that? I think I brought it up one time. He documented the most inbred family in America. Have you seen that shit?
Khamba njani?
They are so inbred, bro. Sebe izilima. Check sebe ngama homankila.
Yeah, but we have a lima.
Yeah.
This is why they have food incest. You have an incest. You have an incest to check. You have an incest to check.
I saw that thing. It really fucked me out, bro.
You saw it.
I
And
read
there's a
that
guy called
article.
Ray in the entire
Fuck
thing
me
was
up,
talking.
yeah.
They're going,
Avela ngifuna mfundo lethu.
You don't know what you're gene. There's a gene. Or if you get the same gene, it might fuck you up to the sense you're slim as hands. If you have a parent of those genes.
yeah, guy.
Oh, like,
Lenza
it's
ama-jokes
true.
abantu abaddown labana yikhona.
Yeah,
Ukuthi-
guy.
ukuthi-
Omzala.
Kunokuthi omzala ukuthi cousin akazini
Ah, look at
akazini. It's very dangerous.
It's very simple.
Very dangerous.
Kufana lokupriti izinja.
Eh.
Ungabuloku sithi imasalu ntwana ubona uyakhupha umgaxo njani. Ndoda uza ukukhahlela.
Change.
So anything on the list is green. Anything on the list.
On the list, then we move.
Political views.
I not listen this.
Petty shit. Bro.
Political views.
That's some legit petty shit.
Careers and education.
Yes. Yeah. I also feel like people who feel like they are strongly attached to a career path or an education path of some sort are less likely to feel alienated or depressed in life. So, for the most part, kulaba abantu ukuthi uthiwa impilo yakho.
Akulenzelela amatisha ukuthi abhebhana njani.
Bazalo headmaster.
Ama-t-shirt kulenza ukuthi achata njani. Yeah, so
Like balokhuzana futhi.
bachaya inbreeding ngombana.
Ayafiwa.
Ayisitsheni.
Umntwana
Yakuze
uzalwa
uthiwa
into njengechoko.
Utisha Dube useshade lo miss lokhuzeni lo miss Nyathi ngale.
Yakuze kuthiwa uticha uchate lo dokotela wena.
Belonesi. Otisha bachunana bodwa.
Hayi isipani lesenazo ukuthi asilama high points amaningi. Ubona eclassini ucina uzithi abana kujiyo lapha uhamba nje. Ucina ubona iplan. Mina ya. Ngithathe boarding nje.
We live in a different generation than our parents and our great-grandparents. Our grandparents.
Yeah.
Okay, my grandmother left Bulawayo to go and pursue nursing in Wange because she was a yellow bone. So mama said she ulitwana and she was extremely yellow bone. Mama said ufunda
Litswana. You learn something new every day.
ukuthi efunda nama-carrot because one was the segregation. She couldn't learn with black people. And my grandfather pursued his driving and driving I'm a bus, drive his no, but they met before. They met at school and then they parted ways when everyone was going to their own career pathway. When they were done somehow, they met again. My grandfather had already married. When my grandmother came back, he then said, no, my person is back. I'm divorcing this person and I'm moving on with life.
Remix!
So that it worked out.
This
but
guy
now
took
Tina,
sides to another level. Bro. Like
now
salad
Tina
in this
Manj, our girls want to have masters. Our girls want to have PhDs. The guys want to have masters. The guys want to have PhDs, right? But then parenting. Parenting. The parenting for a woman, being pregnant and giving birth and the next 2 years for
Career, yeah.
every career, even the education path might actually stop. But if a guy continues, so we're having a cousin who are like, no, I want to finish my career and then have a baby. By the time you finish your career at 35, you're probably going to have one kid. You're probably going to have one kid. And so that's a very thing important to tell people. How many kids do you want?
Yeah, esinye isimo ethandana ubonanga yena usafuna uhambe echune igani ama-advert akafuna ukumithela. That time unomasalo lawe, you feel like it's time for you to have a
plus
kid,
the
bro.
age futhi.
So yeah, into lezi zabo career
So it's very important for this
one is
discussion.
actually important.
It's very important.
enzima nje in our current
It's hard,
economy
but
and
yeah, it's a
Yeah.
necessary because lawa
ngubani le career path ezwakalayo
uzabe usuvalela umntana abantu phandle nje yena ufuna ukwenza into zakhe.
mina esipani
Imagine wena ufuna umithisa uTyler yena ufuna ama-gram ngani.
la nesipani sami le hope yokuthi nje baza ngipromote ngivele sengu-sound guy in 2 years or something. Then in 4 years
Yikho ukutshela
in 4 years
imamas.
equipment isihamba lapha endlini.
Yikho ukutshela
Utshela
imamas.
imamas ngoba elizweni lethu
So
le.
now do you understand why men normally marry women that are 5 or more years younger than them? It's because of that.
Ah, look how
It's because of that. Now, Mati, we always almost in the same age group. Most of
yazi
the
wemfuthi
time.
ngomlana sasesikole amajita kulama-rumors aseboarding ejontela lapha kulama-rumors utoteacher babebhebhana nangangasibhayili siya because ngakabi
Andiyakwazi khona ukuyikwenza kusebenza ezisnippet.
Yes, continue.
but anyway sengifike ku-age la nti ngiyangicabanga ukuthi ube ngifundise emakhaya hamba Monday to Friday akola network akolani awubona iplani staff room lapha awubona iplani vele
Avele.
ayithola into yokwenza
La into inachi.
tell me 3 months
What's also on the list?
Dream home.
Let me tell you, this one messed up this other couple. This one really messed up this other couple. All what the girl wanted was a house, 3 bedrooms. That's what the girl wanted. The guy wanted a double-story house with the water.
uzoyitholana
That's what, and you could build it because you had the money. But the girl like, no, me I want
room.
a 3-bedroom house and whatever.
So
They're
you
not
go-
together.
Because of that,
They're not together.
Remember, so
They are not together.
Ulamanga.
The guy is his double story. I'll take you to very soon. I'll take you to it. The guy is a double story. The guy is a double story. But
let's try to price.
there are things, guys, and you take for granted, bro. Owens are immediately after this. I can't really say it because I know the person who watched.
Okay.
But I'll tell you, something you actually think was petty can end a whole marriage.
Then childhood traumas.
Very important.
Lengu number 1 le.
Number one.
Lengu number 1.
Number one. but
Number one.
It's probably one of the hardest now to address.
Yes.
But
yes.
ngiyakutshela check
Yes.
ama-childhood traumas awudinga ubuza ukuthi you know yabonga izitori
I told you.
Yeah.
I told you, bro.
azithuthele
I told you, bro.
and actually childhood traumas
Nah, you see the one of the way.
childhood traumas would actually cover most of what we
Yeah.
just went through.
Yeah.
But I feel like okunye
Because like lo choice yakhe 3-bedroom maybe yena wakhulela ku-double story umdala edouble umasala ku-second floor.
upstairs.
Empose.
So what lani madoda.
I don't want to be thrown. I don't want to be
So
thrown.
what yena akafuni indlela le.
Push her down the
So,
stairs.
Yeah, i-childhood trauma manje ile weight
Abona singasurvive episode le.
Ngesabi.
Yeah.
Ngesabi.
But bensithi okunyani kuye umuntu angaba comfortable like with time. Ezinye izitori like
Yakutshela.
ziyaphonga ukubuya nje.
ubuya yeah.
Yeah. Asonto ozidinga uzibuye.
No, I keep hearing new things from my wife, doc, like 2 years later, doc, and that makes sense, doc. He could fucked up so in a time.
Yeah.
Does that make
Some things
sense?
that come up along the way that's
But I don't know.
quite messed up.
Thank you very much for tuning in. This has been another good episode, I guess. Don't forget to like, share.
Hasn't been prediction iphela euro.
Iphela nama euro.
Look, I'm not even watching that
I will-
shit.
Bro,
By
that
the
shit is
time-
boring, bro.
Boys
By the time
playing
said-
online friends is father shit.
I mean, I'll play by this time. By the time this comes out, right?
I was a peli.
Hi, party. By the time we shoot the next one, I'm sure it's a pity. When you think,
I-final ukuhamba bani vele.
Go in
what's
England.
up,
Go in England.
what the fuck?
Lalela nini?
Nah, England and Manchester United.
I-chat yami le
Not anyway close.
yabona indlela abawine ngayo imatch yabo yokugcina.
Ilinkoromela le Real le lizababisa.
Yikho abazaqhubeka ngakho khona kuya.
Without Gary Southgate is the only guy on the planet who can take La Liga's player of the season, which is Bellingham, and take Premier League's player of the season, which is Foden, and do Bundesliga top goal scorer, which is Harry Kane, and come up with a system that makes all three of them useless.
Which is true. Which is true. You know Southgate. One thing that's just he's British. After this one, Southgate issue again. I don't think he's a tactical coach.
Southgate is a Spanish
Anyways,
tactically, yeah.
what did he Mbano?
Kylian Mbappe. I think they haven't really hit their stride. France.
They are meeting Portugal.
But no one has really hit their stride. I think Portugal is also strong.
Own goal, bro.
Hey, do you know they actually haven't scored a goal in open play? It's not looking good for. It's not looking good for all the teams because England they win a last minute. We got some odds. Portugal they win 9-1. Got the win a So I don't know, talk. Yeah, but I'll go with France. My prediction is France.
I see the final and any of these will be in the final. It's either Portugal, France, or England. These three.
One of them is going to the final.
One of them, two of these will play in the final.
Turkey, the Germany.
Do you know why Turkey and Germany won't make it? Because they're playing good soccer.
Yeah, Germany has been nice.
They are playing good soccer.
Germany has been
they are
nice.
playing good soccer, bro.
And
they won't get
And what you
Hey, but the Cruz would have had, he would have crowned his career magnificently. Valing Champions League, the La Liga. Or to take La Liga. La Liga champions at the Euro.
But anyways, thank you very much for tuning in.
Also, thank you for streaming my album. I got a lot of responses from people from the podcast. Someone at the city, hey, that's good. You see? Talent.
What the?
Yes, sir.
Can you see the show?
Last week is a show almost 2 hours. Hey.
Fact still stands, I ain't letting you go. No matter when a heart breaks, fashionable. And they don't wanna see me keeping you close. And they don't wanna be here when I'm alone. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get some for $1. We might just head home in a Honda.